Sometimes I have some troubles with the pen. It's getting interference. If you look at my office here, can you see what's causing the interference with the pen? Is it the printer? Nope, that's not causing the interference. Is it my router? That's a good guess, but no, that's not causing interference. Is the computer sitting on the board? Well, if the computer had lots of magnets in it, it'd cause a problem, but mine doesn't have a whole lot of magnets. Let me give you a hint. The pen stylus generates a magnetic field. Can you see something in this room that's generating a magnetic field? Well, look at that. The fan is on. I left the fan on. The fan generates lots of magnetic field when the electricity is going through it. So for the board to work right in the pen, I've got to turn that fan off. So I'm going to come in here. I turn the fan off. That cuts the electricity to it. Now there's no more magnetic field in the fan. I can come into our software, click start, and just take that pen stylus and just trace my outlines with the pen. I'm not going to get any more interference. And it looks great, and I can start tracing my pattern.